Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you a very simple and easy way to create a very beautiful piece of art. For this exercise we would need a paper plate. We could also use a rough piece of cardboard or any other piece of hard paper that you are willing to throw away after the exercise is done. We will need colors: orange, red, green, black, blue and yellow. We would also need a couple of brushes, most importantly one with thin bristles and one with a bit thicker ones. For paper we can use a normal A4 size Xerox paper, white in color, or if you are interested you could actually use a thick proper drawing paper. This one is much better in terms of hanging it as a show on the wall. Most importantly, for this exercise we would need around 10 earbuds. We will need to cut this into half, these earbuds, and then tie them together using a rubber band as shown in the video. Now make sure that the cotton side of these buds, after they are cut into equal halves, are properly touching the surface. Then we begin. We will use a thin bristle brush and take a dark color. In this case I decided to use black color. You could also use brown or blue or any other dark color that is of your liking. So continue painting. Basically you have to draw one thin line and then as offshoots on either side of this line you can draw the branches. This is very simple. You do not have to worry about having perfectly straight lines. Draw them as you wish, but make sure that you have multiple offshoots of each branch, and then continue paint as shown in this video. Now one important piece of information is that towards the edges of the drawing paper you don't have to cover to the brim, to the edge of the paper with color. This is because if you decide to frame it, then these raw edges will be taken over by the frame and you would not be able to see the roughness of the drawing, as will be visible towards the end of this video. Now depending upon the size you can decide on the number of branches. In my case, because it is A4, I decided to have around 8 branches in total. Once this is done, pour orange, red, blue and yellow color onto the paper plate or any other material that you use to mix the color. Do not put the color on one top of each other. Simply keep them a bit separated. Then using the bunch of earbuds, you have to simply slightly touch the color and then start stamping towards each one of the branches. Now depending upon how wide these earbuds are, you may decide to have one stamp or multiple stamps over each branch. In my case, I decided to use a couple of stamps, and this is how it looks. Now the tree is almost done. What we will need to do is we will be creating a bit of surrounding vegetation around this tree. Again, you have to use a thick brush, dip it into green color or any lighter color, and then stamp it in a very raw way. You don't have to be perfect in this case. That is the beauty of this form of art. You can actually stop worrying about being perfect and simply draw, and the end result, I guarantee you, is gonna look like beautiful. There is another way as well. So you could use the same earbuds that were used to draw the leaves of the trees with the same colors, stamp around the tree. That would also give a very good look. And as you can see, the end result is like this. I hope you liked it. Please subscribe and like the video. Thank you very much.